Hi guys, welcome back to today. I'm gonna be doing Glamily unboxing. So yeah, I think this was like the first brand platform I was starting to get free stuff, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, anyways, whatever. So this is from a challenge I did last August. I forgot the name of it, but basically Glamily official collab with Girlactik, that makeup brand, and they sent me their makeup products, and I'm supposed to do content with it and their Glamily app, Instagram, literally everywhere. And they basically choose a winner, few winners, top 3 or so, and then the other rest of the winners, which including myself, are also gonna win a prize. But basically few little prizes, not like the top 3, obviously. I can't remember what they're winning. I don't know if more makeup, I forgot it, but it was definitely more than this, which is nice that Glamily makes everyone feel like winners, even though they didn't really win kind of thing. They're like, for your effort and your time, let's just give you a little something, you know, so you don't feel bad, which is very nice of them and very generous, because a lot of people entered. Imagine how many boxes they be shipping. So, and they take a while, and I don't get upset or anything because it's a valid reason. There's so many people and it's just hard to keep up, basically. So yeah, this from last month I chose these, and it's February the 4th, I don't know, the 3rd, I can't remember, and it barely arrived, so yay. So anyways, that's basically why I got this box for free, because I won a makeup challenge, kinda, not really, more for just participating because I didn't win top 3 at all. Anyways, so, and it's also because I wasn't active using the products, I feel like, and because the brand, the Girlactik, oh my gosh, it was, remember the time that I was eating this facial scrub? Yeah, the brand was like, don't eat that, DM me right away. I was like, I know it's not for consuming, girl. I was doing it for fun. You don't get the joke? Obviously I didn't tell her that, but she was actually like, no, don't do it. Like, I'm almost 30. I know that's wrong. You shouldn't be eating fruit, makeup products, skincare products. But it was just a tiny little lick. It wasn't like I actually consumed it. I didn't swallow anything. I just licked it like that. But I feel like that made them be like, nah, we ain't picking her at all. But I don't know. Maybe I stand out too much for them. I was too audacious, too extra. So they were like, no, we need somebody else to win, not her. I'm just kidding. It's a joke, obviously, but I just kind of feel like they're like, yeah, I don't like her. Yeah, anyways, so they sent me, and congrats to the 3 top winners. I know one of the girls, she's really sweet, and she said she didn't even try and she got chosen, which is so cool, like, right? But anyways, so, ooh, this looks fancy. Okay, so they always send letters. It's the same thing. So let's see. Yeah, congratulations on winning the Glamily Runway Content Creation Challenge collaborated with Girlactik. See, that's the whole longest name. No wonder I couldn't remember, but it's Glamily Runway Content you know, I'm not about to remember all that, but that's basically the challenge I won. I won. I don't even use the app anymore. Hard to keep up. So yeah, and what else? Thank you for your support, basically. So yeah, they always have challenges. So if you want to follow them on Instagram. Download the app. It's free. Android, iPhone. You get free makeup, free accessories, free everything, just for uploading your videos. I upload my TikTok or Instagram reels on that app, so I'm just recycling content and then putting it at that. I don't do it anymore because it's too much work, but that's basically what I did to earn points. And yeah, but whatever. So damn, 5 minutes. Okay, so ooh, what's this? Silver polishing cloth. Okay. Oh yeah, this is to clean your jewelry. I can't say jewelry. Okay. To clean your jewelry. I'm trying to talk white. Okay. Jewelry. There. So they always send these. They're very nice. Okay, so then this. Oh, they never packaged it like that. So this is something all of these things I chose. So they made me choose 3 things. So the first thing is this necklace, which of course I had to get. It's a silver star, and yeah, it was this, and I can't remember which other. I couldn't decide between this and some other thing, especially the earrings. I was like, you already know earrings are my favorite piece of accessory. I mean jewelry. Well, yeah, I guess accessories. So, but no, they only let me choose like one thing for every category, if that makes sense. Like necklaces I do love, but it takes a while for me to put on, and it always gets tangled, and I can't wear it anymore because it's all balled up and I don't know how to fix it, and I'm not patient for that, okay? And I don't have someone to help me to take it off each time. Like, that's annoying. So to ask someone, hey, can you do this every time? Like, no. So yeah, it's basically one of the necklaces I got. So it's simple. I try to choose things that I can wear every day, you know. So yeah, maybe I'll start wearing it. This is good for birthday, you know, more for me. Okay, so yay. The next thing, I think these are the earrings, which I was thinking, oh, this, I could use this for my birthday. It looks kind of like festive, well, not festive, but fancy there for special occasions. It was not a basic. Okay, so and the picture looked bigger. I don't like these. I wanted big earrings. Oh well, whatever. There was the other pair that I wanted. I should have gotten the other one, but anyways, I just like the color because it's like blue and purple, and the picture looked more blue. This is just purple with blue reflexes, which I was hoping it would look more blue, but whatever. So it's basically hard. Let me take this plastic. Okay, you see? Okay, you can see clearly. It's purple with blue and pink and like silvery, and then those thingies, I don't know what it's called, rhinestone. I really thought they were gonna be big, so wow. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. But amethyst is my birthday stone, my gemstone. It's purple, it looks like that, so it kind of makes sense for me to wear it for my birthday. Purple is my February is my birthstone. Okay, the amethyst. So now, okay, they always put you one of these bags. I don't know how to call it, that for your earrings so they won't fall. Okay, you see, too tiny for me. I do like small earrings, but if I'm gonna wear it for, you know, special occasions, I want big earrings. But whatever. Okay, so sometimes I be acting like a Leo, like they want the super big, loud, extravagant things to wear. But no, I'm not a Leo, and I don't like attention. Actually, maybe I do because I wouldn't be doing videos. Well, but not really. I don't know. Anyway, so they're cute, but they're not giving. It's because I want to be extra. So, but she's so cute. Okay, thank you so much. They're pretty, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna sound like a ungrateful little spoiled girl, but no. I'm not. I'm just wish it looked like I expected it to be. There's nothing wrong to say your opinion. So the last thing. Ooh, this looks so cool. It looks like candy, but these are brushes, I think. Oh no, they're beauty blenders, which I do need. So they made me choose between 3 different ones. I obviously chose mango as my favorite fruit ever. I mean, I love other fruits, but this is one of my favorites. So this is the Sweet Kiss from Glamily. Okay. Oh, I love the packaging. So you see, it looks like a mango. Okay. They had strawberry and pear. The strawberry didn't look like strawberry. It was just like the traditional beauty blender, and it was pink. And then the pear just looked green, and the shape, that one did look like a pear. And then this one. So yeah, I'm gonna use this a lot. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. So beauty blender, earrings, necklace. Okay, let me put the necklace. I want to see how it looks. Okay, look how tiny it is. It looks very pretty. It's dainty. I love dainty necklaces. They're very pretty. But I also like the big ones, but I feel like these are more better to wear if you like to wear super big, or no, for every day and to go. I don't know, I just like, I like to layer them, but I don't have any to layer. I feel like all the sizes are the same, so it's not gonna look good. So it doesn't match. I should have gotten a heart or something, because this is hard. But I also got it because it's silver, so I can match. But anyways, so yeah, this is basically it for today. Yay, thank you, Glamily. Don't forget, you can use my code to download the app. I think you get points. I do get points for sure, but you don't have to. And yeah, put everything here. So yay, thank you. Bye.